Guys, I'm so sorry. You know, it's almost 2 a.m. in my place. So I think I might go to sleep soon because it's been 5 hours. Insane. I have to take off my eye contact. It start getting hurt. Yep. Just know when you leave here and you're the boys with the sport bikes, they always come out during this time until 4 a.m. So I'm not mad. I used to be one of them too. Exactly. Miss those days. It's called night ride or NR, we call it. And there's also a day called Sunmori, means Sunday morning ride. Which, if I'm still in the gang, not gang, club, this early Sunday morning, I already go start from sunrise until you have your breakfast. That there you go. Then you go home. Then you sleep because you already wake up early for that ride. So my mom sold my bike. It's okay. I'm not mad. She got a point. But anyway, can you please put glasses on? Sure. How do you know I have sunglasses? But my dog staring at me like. Be right back, grabbing food. Alright. Inviting only girls for your birthday? Well, it wasn't my plan for a party, but it was just gonna be me, my mom, my sister, and my friend. Of course, guys, I'm not a monster, so she will be still invited to my birthday. Yeah, like I'm actually really bored of like the concept of throwing party because at the end of the day people don't focus on the birthday queen. You know what I mean? I don't like that. And they just like waste it because fuck guys. All right. I'm going to go soon, okay? I'll stream again tomorrow. What time? I try my best. But the thing is, if I start around 10 or 11 a.m. my time, it's already you guys midnight for American, but also past midnight for European, you know? So it's like a damn do, damn don't. Damn. Fish face. Is that a good thing? It's okay when I'm watching you with one hand. It's okay. Bag, what did you eat, Ali? I ate, I almost ordered gnocchi, but the restaurant say will be closed in 8 minutes. So I was like, you know what? I, I'm not gonna get my gnocchi tonight, but tomorrow. I promise. I promise I'm gonna get my gnocchi, okay? Uh-huh. Uno, due, tre. Uno, due, tre. See? I speak Italian too. Uno, due, tre. Uno, due, tre. One last outfit check so I can on you. Just do it now, man. My eyes hurt. I'm eating penne alla sorrentina. Sorrentina. With tomato, mozzarella, eggplant. Oh. Man, I really love mozzarella. You know, the fact that they're like. Alright. Penne. I like penne. But my favorite one is gnocchi. Gnocchi. See? It's already. Ah, it's Monday. Ah, shit, it just. Hey, it's Monday, yeah, it's Monday. It was Sunday. Monday, July 6th. Alright? You guys, thank you for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow, my time. Nighttime, you guys, okay? I'll see you guys tonight.